Hello, Planner Babe. Welcome to my page. My name is Miss Frugal, also known as Karen. I am a planner queen. I do plan with me's, unboxing of planner, subscription boxes that I receive, pen testing and reviews, cash stuffing, cash saving challenges, and of course, teaching you how to maximize your savings at the pump. Hi Planner Bestie, this is an unboxing of Notiq's Fashion and Ink subscription box. This is the spring and summer edition. So did you get this box? And if you did get it, leave in the comments whether you got blue and pink, and also what's your thoughts on the box. Okay, we got some washi. I'm not a washi girl, but maybe I would try to utilize it. But I'm not a washi girl like most planner girls. Okay, we got this gold pen. I'm not a fan of thin pens like this, but I will be testing it out in this video. The quality of this paper is absolutely great. I noticed it's a different texture in the paper. The feel is different, but it's great quality, and I definitely do plan on making some dashboards out of this paper. I absolutely love it. So this paper is part of the Craft Your Luxe kit. It's a one set, and it's valued at $65. And the Craft Your Luxe is Notiq's new line of stylish, high-end creative papers and stationery for luxury crafting. So it's included with the paper along with these cards and envelopes that we received in this package along with the notepad. So let's test out this pen that we received in the box or with the notepad that we received. The pen writes smooth and it writes nice, but like I said, I'm not a fan of thin pens, and I also like pens that have cushion on it, so it would not be an everyday pen that I have. But if this is your type of pen, this might be the box or whatever for you. Okay, this is Notiq's dust bag. It feels absolutely soft and nice. And this is the Notiq dust bag with the agenda came in it. And with this particular subscription, we received a pocket agenda. And I got a blue one. Now, I wasn't in the market of getting another planner, but blue is my favorite color, so I couldn't resist. So I said, well, let me try it out. So let's check out this agenda and what's included with it. And based on the information card, this agenda is worth $95 and the inserts is worth $30 that's included with it. Oh wow, we have blue inserts. Oh my gosh, I had no idea that this came with blue inserts. Now this has stolen my heart, and I think I might need to change my planner for the rest of the year. This blue insert has stolen my heart. Overall, I do love this subscription box. The planner, the blue planner, and the blue inserts just have won me over. I'm in absolutely awe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to please like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Have an awesome day.